Hey there, I'm Darian, one of the co-founders of Ply, and in this series of videos, we're gonna go through the preparation stages for your inventory audit. The first and arguably most important step in setting up your space is making sure that we have organization within our category of products. One of the most common ways to do this is using a schema called aisle, bay, level, and bin. This provides you exact coordinates of where that item actually lives. Next, we're going to talk about mapping out your space. This is a critical step, especially if you're at the very beginning or maybe you've moved into a new warehouse perhaps. One of the things that we would recommend doing is drawing out your space, getting a blueprint, and then mapping out the different aisles that you have in the different bays. Seems easy, but absolutely the longest and definitely the most tedious phase of your inventory intake process. Ply has partnered up with Brother Mobile Solutions to provide you with a series of supported printers that allows you to have a barcode scanner out in the field or inside of the warehouse. When you have intaked the item and put in the quantity, you can customize the label completely, and you can print off the label just like this and apply it directly to the bin. And so when you scan that item, that is the item that is going to show up within Ply. Now that your business has decided on a barcoding strategy, or one of the strategies, you'll be able to use those barcodes when doing the next step, which is your inventory intake. So let's get to it. For this example, I'm going to apply one of our pre-printed barcodes that we discuss onto a bin, like this. And then I'm going to scan this item, and it will not show up because it doesn't exist in our database. It's going to prompt me to click Add New. I'm going to take an image of this if you do not have one available. I'm going to put in the name of the material, the category, the variant, and I'm going to apply the aisle, the bay, the level, and the bin number. I'm then going to take the count that one of my other team members provided, put in the mins and the maxes, and you can see that the barcode that we've already scanned is here, and we're going to hit save. We're going to confirm that this is set up, hit save, and that's it. So we're going to scan over this item, and now we can have the available options of updating it if we've made a mistake, or transferring it to a job or location. All right, we got all of our items counted, barcoded, and organized. Let's put all of that into practice. Ply allows you to generate pick list through bill of materials or for projects out of the application, and you can print it off on a sheet of paper, or you can use the pick list shopping list out of the app.